And coming up in this half hour, if you're looking for an easy way perhaps to earn a little extra cash, well, nowadays you can actually point, click, and earn. We're going to check out 5 different ways to make money online, from making the most of your hobbies to offering you advice or your advice or expertise. We're going to show you how to do it and what to look out for, though, before you do it.
Yeah,
a lot of pitfalls.
Stephanie, thanks this morning on Today's Money, how to rake in the bucks online. From offering advice to on-call nursing, it can be as simple as turning on your computer and surfing the web. Elizabeth Mayhew is the editor-in-chief of Women's Day magazine, which has some practical advice in its latest issue. Elizabeth, good morning.
Good morning.
So we've all heard about YouTube sensations, you know, where they make it big, from how-to videos or even just random talent show acts that seem to become instantly famous. But the internet is providing more and more opportunities for people to work online, people for looking for ways to make profit without ever having to leave home. A lot of stay-at-home moms. What are we talking about?
Absolutely, and you can do it on your own time. So huge growth. I get a ton of letters for people asking for this kind of information, which was where this story came from, and irony on Labor Day when we're all thinking about getting back to work tomorrow. But starting off with crafts. There are a lot of people out there. If you're a candle maker, if you're a quilter, a ceramicist, there are so many sites that you can go to sell your wares. Etsy is one of our favorites. For 20 cents, you get to list an item. When the item sells, you get to list it for 4 months. When the item sells, you pay 3.5% commission to Etsy. Then there's another site, jewelrywonder.com. It's totally free. You need at least 30 items to open up an online store there.
Okay.
And there's also artfire.com, which is also great. That site is wonderful because it links to a lot of different, you can link it to your blog, you can link it to Etsy, so you can really develop an emporium.
Great.
And a site like that also offers you a lot of marketing and a lot of merchandising online tutorials. So
All
they
right.
really are helping you.
Fantastic. So from making crafts to just using your talent, whatever that may be, there is a website for you.
I love this site, Fiverr, fiverr.com. Basically, for $5, you can get paid to do any number of things, like leaving a crazy message on an answering machine. It's a great place if you're a poet and you are really good at poetry. Somebody can pay you $5. $4 you get to keep, $1 goes to the site.
Okay, that's fair.
Really fun.
Here's another one, a little bit more serious tone, though. What about nursing, on-call nursing online?
On-call nursing is huge. If you think about it, when you call your doctor's office on off hours, especially pediatricians, 9 times out of 10, the person you're going to get is going to be probably from a company like PhoneMed.com. You definitely need 3 years clinical experience. These sites are serious. I mean, you really need the credentials. You need to be licensed in the area of which you're receiving the call. But you can make up to $27 an hour, and these companies offer benefits, so they're real jobs.
Wow, that's fantastic.
They're real jobs.
And for the writers out there are opportunities about writing, editing, and even proofreading online.
If you think about the amount of content that's out there, all of these websites are getting their content from somewhere. So AssociatedContent.com is one of them. They're like paying you for $15 to $100 to write an article, and then on top of that, if your article gets picked up on like eHow, or even if it's a video on YouTube, you can earn money, $1.50 for every 1,000 impressions. So
wow.
You really can make money that way.
All right, the next one's pretty unique. It's about giving advice. You can make money giving advice online.
JustAnswer.com. The experts are hardcore. If you are an expert in mechanics or financial services, a lawyer, you can list your services. You can be an expert for them. Somebody writes in a question and says how much they're willing to pay. You get matched up, and then the person who has to pay a percentage back to the JustAnswer.com.
So an average Joe just can't give like relationship advice or something. You need to be a professional, licensed in some specific area.
And I will tell you, the questioning and the things you have to go through to be an expert are quite rigorous. So really, I mean, if you have any expertise, whether it be medical, like we said, there is a place for you
But
there.
it's nice for people who've retired, perhaps, and have that expertise but aren't necessarily going out in the workforce and using it. They can get money this way from home.
Or if you've been laid off. You might be an expert in your field. You've been laid off. This is a great place to go.
All right, let's talk about providing customer service. People should do this, you say, at their own risk, though?
Actually, these are legitimate companies that are offering, when you call a catalog, 9 times out of 10, you are going to be talking to someone from one of these companies. AlpineAccess.com is an example, LiveOps.com. They really go through, you go through training. This is a real job.
Customer service is tough because when people are calling that, they're usually upset about something.
Well, not only do you have to have great phone skills, but you have to be very adept at your computer, because you might might have 5 windows open at a time. Really, when you go to these websites and you want to check out and you're doing your research about working for one of these companies, they're all very clear about what the requirements are. Just go in, there's career opportunities, and you can find out what criteria you meet.
And it's interesting because you mentioned this on one of the sites, but a lot of these website or online gigs provide 401ks and health insurance. That's pretty incredible.
Absolutely. No, these are real companies. WorkingSolutions.com is a great one. Based out of Texas, they offer a lot of customer support. They will give you everything that you just named, and you can work 20 to 40 hours. Some of these companies, the other thing is you could work 24 hours if you want to.
Oh, wow.
So Live Ops, for example, you can be working day to night straight through.
And you also want to make sure these companies that you're choosing to work for or that you're looking for employment from are legit, because there are scams out there as always online.
There are scams, and we actually did a list of them in the magazine. I know you can get them online as well. I think they're going to be linked to your website, but absolutely there are scams that you want to repeated language over and over again.
Is there something you should look for?
I mean, we did a listing of them, but if it's like typing from home and you have to actually pay to get the information, that is not a good thing. So you are not paying to get one of these jobs. They should be paying you.
All right. Good point. Elizabeth Mayhew, thanks so much. We appreciate the advice. Great tips. And there is more information, as Elizabeth pointed out, on todayshow.com.